I purchased my insurance for my iPhone 5 from N-Squared. Let me tell you a story. My little boy Sam was watching Thomas the Train on my iPhone one day. While watching it, he dropped it in our fish pond. Yes, deep in the water. My husband got it out, but the phone wouldn't switch on. I was beside myself. I'd lost everything. I remembered I had insurance, so I went to my computer, checked my Gmail, and found my N-Squared invoice. I called them, they took my call, and they charged me a small deductible to post my phone in. 3 days later, a UPS delivery man turned up at my door, hands me a box with a brand new iPhone. Wow, best $130 I've ever spent. If I didn't have insurance, I would have had to pay Apple $700. $700. I recommend phone insurance if you have kids, and N-Squared are very good people to deal with.